Hello everyone, today we are going to color a flower pot. Easy. So let's start. First, I use brown color like this. Let's apply it deep layer to light layer. Here too. And orange color. This one also deep layer to light layer. And finally, white color. So let's color leaves. When I color leaves here, I use two colors for two sides. One side I use light green like this. If you like, you can use one color for two sides. And these are also light green. If you like, you can use any other color also. Here also. And we add dark green like this. Here. Finally here. And let's color flowers. This flower I use yellow color all over the flower deep layer, and I add red color like this. With other flower I use light blue and dark blue like this, and for this flower I use pink and red color. And here also light blue, here and here also. So we finish our flower pot. Thank you for being with me.